Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Today, we're back on this 99 Subaru Legacy Outback, and we're going to swap the accessory belts. There's two of them, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. It's really easy. This is going to be a pretty short video, so let's dive straight into this. Step one, pop your hood. Pull out the 10mm bolts that hold this belt cover on. There's one right here, here, and here. Use a 12mm to loosen this bolt up. You just have to loosen it. And then we could pull this up and slide it out because it's just got a little groove here that it slides in like this. Now we need to loosen this belt. The way we loosen it is with the alternator tensioner bolt here. So we need to bring the alternator down, which will loosen this belt. Use a 12mm down here first. And you're just going to loosen it down here. Just give it a couple twists. I think that's probably fine. And now you're going to just loosen this, and the alternator will go down on this shaft, which will loosen the belt. Use a 12mm to loosen this nut in the center of the idler pulley. You're just going to loosen it a couple half turn, maybe like one turn at the most. It just needs to be able to move so that we can hit this adjuster nut here and pull the pulley up, which will loosen the belt. Now you take a 12mm, you go lefty loosey, and you see how the belt's all loose now? At this point, you can just take this belt off, and now we can put the new ones on. Here are the two belts I'm using. They're both Duralast. 345K5, 353K4. For the AC belt, it's a skinnier one. You can't really put them on wrong. Start it by going over the crankshaft first and going underneath this bracket down here. Then you can bring it up and you slide it over. Now it's on, but it's really loose. So now we're going to take our 12mm and we're going to tighten it up. Make sure that it's on the pulley down there. And what you want to make sure is that it doesn't wiggle too much, but that you can still do a 90-degree twist on this long side of the belt. Then we're going to go back down here and we're going to tighten the nut here on the pulley to lock the pulley in place so the pulley doesn't move or vibrate or anything. You're going to do the same thing on this belt now. Start over the crank first, then go over the alternator, and then slide it over the power steering last. It's too loose, obviously. Just going to go like that. Make sure you can still do a 90-degree twist, and that it feels tight. Once you're happy with those, you're going to lock in this bolt here, which locks the adjuster from moving up and down. Clean and replace this guard, then tighten down this bolt here. Clean and replace this second cap,